Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button, ding the bell next door if you want to get notifications of future videos. Thumbs up, likes are always appreciated. And any questions or comments, please leave them down below. So, I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you. I went to a larger Dollar Tree, hoping to maybe find some cleaning supplies. Not that much really, but I found what I was looking for. But I checked out their craft department and a few other things. So like this particular Dollar Tree has like stuff that's like also for like $3 and $5 and stuff like that. And I'm really excited about some of the things I found. So I'm going to save those big ones for later. So they had in some of their foam tape. I thought I'd pick up another one of these while I was there, and it comes in 3 sizes. So it comes in a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and not quite 1/2 inch. So anyway, so picked up one of those. And I thought I'd give these a try. I love Airwick like plugins and stuff. And they had these. I thought I'd give them a try, see how they smell. If they're not that great, well then I only paid $1 a piece for them. So, and I always love a Hawaiian scented smelly. So there are those. I picked up these AAA batteries, and you'll see why in a little bit. I was really excited to finally find these. I had seen these in a bunch of hauls a couple months ago. I think at like Christmas time. And they just never came to any of my stores near me. Where's the other one? I know I got 3. Yeah. But they're confetti tubes. I don't know if you can see those. But they're like really tightly wound, I don't know, confetti? Let me grab. This one's kind of like stuck. I don't know if you can see that. It kind of like unwinds or uncurls. But I thought these would be fun to have on hand. They had these 3 color sets. And I was so excited to like finally see them. I almost grabbed like 2 of each. I'm like, you know what? No, that's pointless. There's actually a lot here. So, it would have been nice if there was like a straight silver. This is like a dark platinum almost. Because then I would have had like red, blue, and like I could have used the silver as a white for like red, white, and blue. But I do have colors for Christmas. So, and these are kind of Easterish. I might go back. Well, I am going back tomorrow for something to buy another of something I'm going to show here in a bit. So I may pick up, if they're still there tomorrow, I may pick up 1 more of each of these. Just because, like I said, this is the first time I've seen them in my area. And I know people were hauling these months ago. So yeah, so there are those guys. Picked up a glue residue eraser. Now, I have some of these. I don't know if this is as good as the other ones. Let's see. Come on out of there. If you're new to crafting and you're not sure what this is for, it is, let me show you. Say you put, I hope I don't ruin this. You know what, let me do it on here. We'll do it on, oh, don't want to show that. It's got my address on it. Say you put adhesive down and you decide that's not where you wanted it. So see, like, it doesn't really rub off very well. This is meant to rub away the adhesive. There you go. Yeah, so this is actually pretty good. I might go pick up a couple of these. I had passed on them because I wasn't quite sure. But, so it helps you remove the adhesive if you decided you put it in the wrong place. So I'm probably going to pick up another couple of these because $1 is a pretty good price on that. So, got that. And I was looking for those. A lot of people have been sharing them. They come like rounded like this, but it's a group of like clips that look like something guys would use. They're pink and they're silver with like pink grips, just to like hold projects down or hold open journals when you're working on them, or to even hold watercolor notebooks open while you're watercoloring. I haven't found those in any of our stores around here, but I did see these, and they look pretty hefty. Let's see. It's all one solid piece, and they're covered in rubber. They're not bad. Oops. They're not kind of easy to... They want to like feel like they want to flip out of your hand. See that? But they'll be good if you're needing, you know, to hold something in place when you need like 3 hands or 4. So, and they're kind of cute. So I picked those up. What other crafty stuff do I have in here? Oh, I got another one of those. I picked this up. It really helps when like you have like, you know, guys and smelly socks. I also use OxyClean as well. And then they also have the Awesome Orange. Now, I really like the Awesome Orange, but it's all sold out. And it's actually getting harder to find in the Dollar Trees. They have the Awesome Orange like spray cleaner, but the Awesome Orange powder that's meant for laundry, if you can find it, is really good. And my husband loves them to pieces. But the man sweats, and it's not a handsome sweat at all. It is a smelly, stinky guy sweat. And I love you, honey, if you're watching this. And I have to, like, when he is outside working in the yard or anything like that, those get washed in their own load. I don't put them in anything else. But this and the Awesome Orange, and then you get the odor eliminator OxyClean. Any of those I'll use, and it usually gets the job done. But yeah, he does not have handsome guy sweat. That means, yeah. Anyway, again, I love you, honey. So pick that up. I was hoping to find the Awesome Orange, but I'm not going to complain. Anywho. And I also picked up some cleaning supplies, like some Lysol disinfectant, some it was a Mr. Clean? Can't remember. I didn't think you guys wanted to see the cleaning stuff I bought, so I didn't bother. I just kind of got the crafty stuff I thought you guys would like to see. So, hey, sweetheart. All right. There are these 2 goodies. I only saw this one in the store, and these were both marked $5. I'm just going to show this one and then the other item. They rang up 3. It's the right color for my room, you know, the pretty mint. This does take AAA batteries. We're going to test this out. I wish they'd had more. But So, and it's got some kind of ceramic. It almost feels like that chalkware. So that's kind of cute for $3. So there's that. Let's see how bright it is. Well, I actually can't, because if I turn these off, the craft room light's still on. But so anyway, turn that back off. I picked that up. Again, it was the only one sitting on the shelf. Help if I put this on the right way. But those of y'all who have been around a while are going to kind of sort of recognize this treasure. And I am going back tomorrow to get another one of these, and this was marked 5. It rang up $3. And some of y'all who've been around a while will probably remember the Flamingo that I picked up. I still have not painted it yet. Okay, this sticker does not want to come off. Well, this sucks. Hold on. Sorry. This thing's making a mess. Well, I guess it's a good thing I have to give it a light sanding. Oops. Ta-da! So, they had the Flamingo, and I left it because, you know, I already have the one. But I think when I go back tomorrow, I'm going to get... See, this... Why would you do that? Anyway, I'm going to paint them. I'm going to mask off the lights that are on... the LED lights that are on the inside. And I'm going to spray paint them. The Flamingo... Well, let me grab the Flamingo. Hey, baby girl. When I found the Flamingo, it was the only one in the store. And it was kind of bonged up. Let's see, do I have batteries in it? Yep. There's the Flamingo. And so it lights up pink. This one, so I don't know, maybe y'all should tell me. The Flamingo, I think I'm going to paint white. But I don't know what color to paint the pineapple. So I'd love your guys' input on that. Again, I'll mask off all the lighting that's on the inside, sand them down so they're smooth, and then paint them. And oh no, they don't. I thought they had hangers to hang on the wall, but I don't know if I should paint the pineapple yellow. See, that would clash in here. Or if I should paint it white as well. Or, you know, green. I don't want to paint it. I don't know. I'd love your guys' input on the pineapple. So, and yeah, I think I'm going to go pick a couple of each tomorrow. Hopefully they still ring up the $3, because it has a sticker flat on it that says 5. So, anywho, but yeah, so I was really excited to see those. I had to do a little bit of digging for the, let me turn this off, for the pineapple, because some of them, it was kind of jagged here around the, you know, the leaf area. And I just didn't want to mess up, because they are made out of MDF. So you don't have a lot of wiggle room as far as sanding goes. So, Yeah. So I was just really excited. And they had a big, massive, hot pink Flamingo marquee. And I almost got that too, but I was just like, that one is like really in your face. And as much as I adore flamingos, I think it would have overpowered the craft room. I don't know. I might change my mind when I go tomorrow. There was only one. I guess if it's still there tomorrow when I go back, then I was meant to have it. And you guys are going to be shocked, and you probably aren't going to believe it, but I don't think I'm going to Tuesday morning this week. I've kind of been disappointed lately in what's been coming in on our trucks, and it's just, you know, I figure if I'm meant to have it, if I go next week, then I was, you know, whatever I find, I was meant to find. But I think I'm gonna probably cut my Tuesday morning to like every other week. I'm just kind of, I think I'm getting burnt out, and I really need to focus on the craft. Now, the Tonic Studio hauls, those have picked up. I did get a shipment in today. You guys are going to see that tomorrow evening because I have another one coming in tomorrow. And I just didn't see the point of a couple like mini... It's bugging me with that sticker on there. Oh, you know what? Let's try this. Oh, it's pulling the sticky off the wood. It's just not getting the paper off the wood. And actually, it looks like it's kind of tearing the wood up a little bit, so I'm going to stop that. Anyway, so tomorrow is going to be a Tonic Studios haul. And I haven't decided what else. I'm really trying to focus on the craft room because I'm wanting to share crafts with you instead of hauls, and every time I'm shopping, it's like I gotta find more places to put stuff, which is keeping me from finishing the room. So I'm sure some of you out there going, yay! But anywho, also, don't forget the MemoryDex card challenge is still going on. You have until the 17th of April to postmark your entries. This is not US only. The link to the video to enter is down in the description, and it will also be featured at the end of the video in one of the the little cards I think that'll show up over here. And because you have to enter through that video. So I'm pretty excited. I'm finding things to add to the giveaway. Those of you who've been following along know it's already one of my favorite adult coloring books. A couple of the full-size Tonic Studio inks, and a Jane Davenport stamp set, and some other goodies that I plan on adding to the box. Again, this is not US only. I will ship it international. And once I have all the entries, there will be a drawing. So I thought this would be a fun way for me to get to know a lot of y'all better, and you know, send out some goodies. So with that, I'm gonna cut this because I need to start getting ready for bed, and the laundry machine is calling my name. So I hope y'all have a great night, and as always, love you guys to pieces. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.